Hello and good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are, I hope you are doing well today. Today I am going to be getting ready for my first day at a new job and I am quite nervous about it, so I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible. With this new job, I am still working from home 5 days a week, so I'm very lucky in that sense. To start off, I am going to be priming my eyes with my white eye base from P.Louise. And this week I will be using the Unity palette by Adept Cosmetics. I am going to start by taking the shade Balanced Brown, which is a beautiful burgundy brown shade. And I am going to start by taking that on a fluffy brush and getting it in the shape I want and giving it a little blend as I go.
I've got sunshine, I've got you now. My body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body, oh, body on body. I know love now, and you're stuck in my mind. My body on body, oh, body on body, oh.
Next, I am going to take the shade Moss on a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm just going to put that in the first part of my crease. And I'm not going to blend it too much with Balanced Brown since it's kind of a burgundy-ish color. I don't want it to get too muddy. So I'm not going to blend it too much in with Balanced Brown. And I have to say this green is extremely pigmented. It's very, very nice. And going back into Balanced Brown, I'm going to start to take that underneath along my lower lashes and give that a blend as I go.
Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down.
Now going into the shade Tranquil Tone, and I'm going to use that to blend the edges of Balanced Brown. And I'm prepping my eyes for the shimmer shades with NYX Glitter Primer. I will start by putting that on with a brush and patting it with my finger so it will be as crease-free as possible. The first shimmer I'm going to use is Egalitarian Emerald. And I'm going to put that on the outermost part of my lid. Next, I am going to take the shade Peaceful Path, and I'm going to put that on the inner part of my lid. This shade is so stunning. I think it might be my favorite shade in the palette that I've tried so far. Anyway, it is absolutely stunning. And going back into Balanced Brown, I am going to use that to re-intensify my outer corner and wherever I may have lost a little bit of intensity that I was looking to keep. And now going into the shade Balanced Bond, I'm going to take that on my brush and give it a spray with some setting spray just so it will stick a little bit better. And I'm going to put that in my inner corner and just drag it down a little bit onto my lower lashes and blend it up slightly as well. And now going into the Incandescent Blush Palette by Unearthly Cosmetics, I am going to start with the shade Familiar after I get my zoom right, and just put that on fairly liberally as it is a beautiful glowy blush and it doesn't go on too heavy with initial application. You can definitely build it up more and have it not turn out splotchy. It's fantastic. For highlighters, I am going to start with my Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Enlighten. I'm going to put that on and then clean off my brush a little bit and blend it out so the lines won't be quite as harsh. And then I am going to layer Mars Melter by Kaleidos Makeup on top to give a little bit of that reddish peach shift. Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Oh, baby, like that. Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Slow it down. Oh, 'cause I know I am nobody. And this is the finished look. I am quite pleased with how it turned out. It's quite light and definitely work appropriate. And I have to say I had a very good first day at work. So I think all went well and I love how this turned out. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.